So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you less important updates about Jocoin. Okay, this is another Ethereum ecosystem meme coin, and this meme coin has potential to be the next Mo coin. Maybe we can see its market from just for $4 million to maybe $400 million in coming months here. And you can see its last 1 year performance is good, nearly 950% pump in last 1 year. So this is good, but last 14 days performance is not good. But this is good for us that we can make good entry in this meme coin price. But friends, still this meme coin is also now listed on many major central exchanges. So is it possible that we can see Joe coin to be the next Mo coin and can be the next listing for major central exchanges or not? So videos will be very special. Very important. You have to just watch the complete video here. Fine, first of all, you can see Joke and Snap and $0.04 current price. Token is dumped by 22% in last 14 days, and in last 24 hours dumped by almost 15% for $4 million market right now. This is good. $1.5 million trading volume. This is good because still there's no any major like listing for this meme coin. 1 billion coin supply all in circulation, and this Ethereum ecosystem meme coin, not Solana or not Base, not Tron, but Ethereum ecosystem meme coin. This is good. We are only 40% down this all-time high that was just 15 days ago. So recently this meme coin has made its all-time high, so this is good. And coin has already killed 2 zeros since its launching. We are 6,500% up than its all-time low that were 10 months ago. This is, I think, awesome performance from this meme coin, that we are right now 6,000% up than its all-time low, and coin has already killed 2 zeros. And right now we are just 40% down only than its all-time high. And these are the exchanges where this meme coin listed: Arbit, Axie.com, CoinXL Bank, and Bilexi are the central exchanges where this meme coin is listed. And Ethereum Dex is obviously Uniswap has listed this coin, but still there's no MEXE, there's no Bybit, Gate.io, no any major central exchange has still list this coin. But friends, definitely tokens have already $44 million market, $1.5 million trading volume. So this means that this token has something amazing, something special, that we can see its market cap in maybe $500 million to maybe $1 billion in coming months. Also its major central exchange listing. And first, so you can see, okay, website is also looking good. Joker in 2024, you can copy its contract address here, Uniswap. These all memes provide on their website, text tool, Telegram, Twitter. Okay, so you can check out all further detail on their website. This is good. 8,400 holders, 8,400 holders for this meme coin already. This is good, friends. Number of holders good. And these are the top wallets. Okay, top 50 wallet, they are holding this meme coin. Number one wallet is Uniswap exchange, they are holding 3.9% of its supply. Second wallet is 2.1% of supply. All other wallets is just 1% of supply. So these are the different wallets, they are holding this meme coin. Okay, Joe developer has 0.8% of supply. Okay, friends, and these are all other wallets, they are holding this coin. So friends, no doubt token is looking good, and because this is a meme coin, so can be highly risky also. But I think this meme coin has definitely potential to, we can see is maybe new all-time high in coming weeks here, and its major like say listing also, because market is already good. And this is another not a dog theme or not a cat theme meme coin, because in crypto market right now most chains are launching dog theme meme coins, cat theme meme coins. But right now those coins, they are no dog theme or cat theme, are getting success, just like Chill Guy, just like Peanut Coin, just like Sharp Coin, and many other, just like Moondang, Hippo Coin. So this is another that type of token that can goes in $1 billion market, and also can be the next listing for major central exchanges. And friends, I think definitely I'm going to buy this meme coin because this listed on CoinX. I'm also using CoinX exchange for meme coins, because CoinX lists new meme coins. Okay, so that's why I'm will hold soon this meme coin on CoinX exchange, but in less amount. I'm not going to invest huge amount in this meme coin or any other meme coin, but definitely I'm going to buy this meme coin for at least next 8 to 10 minutes. And after that, maybe this can list on many major central exchanges, and at that time we can see its market cap in $1 billion, and this meme coin can be the next 50 to 100x potential meme coin, or maybe more. What you're thinking about this meme coin, you can must comment down below.